Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. I'm Xavier, and today I'm excited to share my journey from zero to hero in organic gardening. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener, I hope my story inspires you to create your own green oasis. It all started a year ago when my backyard looked like this. I had no gardening experience, and honestly, it felt overwhelming. I knew I had to start somewhere, so I began researching. I read books, watched videos, and learned all I could about organic gardening. Soil preparation. The first practical step was preparing the soil. Healthy soil is the foundation of any garden. I tested the soil, added compost, and used organic fertilizers to enrich it. Next, it was time to plant my first seeds. I started with easy-to-grow vegetables like tomatoes, lettuce, and carrots. It was so rewarding to see the first sprouts. Of course, it wasn't all smooth sailing. I faced challenges like pests and unpredictable weather. But I stuck to organic methods, using natural pest control and adapting to the conditions. With consistent care, my garden began to thrive. Regular watering, pruning, and a lot of patience paid off. The garden was transforming. The most exciting part was the harvest. Seeing the fruits of my labor was incredibly satisfying. Fresh, organic produce right from my backyard. One of the best things about gardening is sharing the bounty. I shared with neighbors, cooked fresh meals, and even preserved some for later. Looking back, my gardening journey taught me so much. Here are my top tips. Start small, be patient, and enjoy the process. Organic gardening is not just about the results, but the journey itself. I hope my story inspires you to start your own gardening adventure. Remember, anyone can go from zero to hero with a little effort and love for nature. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gardening tips, and share your own gardening stories in the comments. Happy gardening! Subscribe, like, comment, and share.